Welcome to The Boy Who Chased a Dream, an inspiring look at the early life of one of soccer's greatest, Cristiano Ronaldo. Imagine growing up on a beautiful island with only a soccer ball for a toy. Did you know one of the world's best players started just like that? Cristiano Ronaldo was born on the island of Madeira, Portugal. His family wasn't rich, and they lived in a small house, but the love for soccer was big. Cristiano didn't need a fancy field. He practiced on the narrow, bumpy streets near his home. This helped him learn how to control the ball perfectly. Let's check your knowledge. Where did Cristiano practice his soccer skills the most when he was a little boy? The correct answer is on the narrow, bumpy streets. That's where he developed incredible ball control. At 7 years old, Cristiano joined his first real team, Madeira. Interestingly, his father worked for the team, helping with uniforms and equipment. To be a superstar, you need good food. One of Cristiano's favorites is a Portuguese dish called bacalhau à brás, made with codfish, onions, potatoes, and eggs. When he was only 12, Cristiano made a brave move. He left his island home to move to the big city of Lisbon to join soccer academy. Look at the map to see how far he traveled. He flew across the Atlantic Ocean from Madeira to Lisbon, the busy capital city of Portugal, all alone. The move wasn't easy. Cristiano was lonely and homesick at the academy, even crying sometimes. But he was determined and never gave up on his dream. Hard work truly pays off. Cristiano stayed late after practice to work on his moves, determined to be the fastest and strongest. He knew hard work makes a champion. Let's review the success secrets. True or false? Cristiano Ronaldo became famous just because he was lucky? The answer is false. Now, explain why. Did he just wake up one day and was the best? Or did he work very hard? The correct reason is B. He worked very hard and practiced even when he was tired or sad. It's his dedication that led to his success. Soon, the whole world noticed him. Cristiano played for famous teams like Manchester United and Real Madrid, becoming a global superstar. As a champion, Cristiano has won many top awards, including the Ballon d'Or 5 times. He is also a record breaker for international goals. Cristiano's story teaches us to believe in ourselves. If you work hard, you can achieve great things, no matter where you start. Now, let's test your memory with a timeline challenge. Put these 4 events from Cristiano's life in the correct order. The correct timeline starts with practicing on the streets of Madeira, then joining Madeira, moving to Lisbon at 12, and finally becoming a global superstar. Always remember the boy from Madeira. What is one dream you want to work hard for, just like Cristiano?